attention now. Of course, we'll come back to you for those updates. Shifting attention now, viewers, the Lal Bagh Raja, which attracts at least 1.5 million pilgrims every year during the 11-day Ganesh Chaturthi festivities, is now surrounded with a huge controversy. What you're seeing on the screens is a viral video from the Ganeshotsav Mandal, where there are two queues. One which is for the common man, the Aam Aadmi, and right beside the queue is the darshan facility for the VIPs. Interestingly, the mandal, which holds the belief of millions of pilgrims, is popularly also known as Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandal. But look carefully on your screens how on one hand people are hurried and rushed away in a matter of just seconds, and on the other hand the VVIPs are conveniently posing for pictures with Ganpati Bappa. Now, the video has caused ripples across social media, with netizens questioning why Bappa's two darshans at the very same temple. Does Aam Aadmi not deserve the same darshan of his God as that of a VVIP? My colleague Nilesh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Nilesh, these are visuals from the Ganeshotsav, and it looks like there are two different sets of devotees that are going in. One for the common man, where they don't even get a few seconds, and on the other hand are some family members who seem to be waiting there. This has sparked off outrage, with many questioning why devotees are being treated differently. Nilesh? All right, we'll go back to Nilesh for whether there is any response that has come in. But look at these visuals that are on your screens, and it shows you why there is such outrage on social media. Nilesh, back with us. Yes, Nilesh, there's outrage over the visuals that we're seeing on the screens. Has there been any clarification that has been issued? Because several people continue to question, why is it that devotees are getting treatment like this on one side, where they don't even get a second with Lord Ganesha's statue there. On the other hand, you have people who have been standing there for several minutes and not being disturbed at all.
Well, absolutely. As this concerning and surprising visuals emerged on social media, public outrage is seen, and at the moment we are present outside Lal Bagh Maharaj Darbar, and as you can see, people in huge number have gathered outside the main gate. As you can see, devotees are constantly coming towards to seek their darshan. However, as we tried, we are continuously trying to get in touch with the authorities, but as of now no contact has been established by the Lal Bagh authorities. And meanwhile, I'll just pan around my camera once again to show you that people in huge number have been appearing in here to seek blessings of Bappa, and we just go across to few people and try to talk to them what exactly were their experience. Dada, आपका दर्शन हो गया? मैम, आपका दर्शन हो गया? कहाँ से हैं आप लोग?
चेंबूर से।
चेंबूर से हैं। कितने घंटे से खड़े हैं आप लोग?
हम लोग अभी 10 मिनट हुआ गया।
अच्छा, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आए थे। अगर आपको दर्शन करने नहीं मिलता है तो कितना दुख होगा?
हमको मिल जाएगा दर्शन।
मिल जाता है। अच्छा, आप बताएंगे आप कहाँ से आए हैं, कितनी देर से?
इंदौर, मध्य प्रदेश।
इंदौर से आए हैं? मध्य प्रदेश से आप दर्शन करने आए हैं। अगर आपको अंदर दर्शन करने नहीं मिलता है तो क्या आपको दुख होगा इस बात?
दुख तो होगा ना, बहुत दूर से आया हूँ, इतनी दूर से आया।
पहली बार है?
हाँ, फर्स्ट टाइम है हमारा।
फर्स्ट टाइम है। सो एज यू कैन सी, पीपल फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश हैव आल्सो रीच्ड टू सीक ब्लेसिंग ऑफ बप्पा। सर, आपसे कहाँ से आए आप? पवई से आए। कितनी देर से खड़े हैं?
मैं अभी आया।
अच्छा, अगर आपको दर्शन करने नहीं मिलता है तो कितना दुख होगा आपके लिए?
नहीं मिलेगा दर्शन, क्यों नहीं मिलेगा?
उम्मीद के साथ आए कि दर्शन मिल जाएगा?
हाँ, हक से मिलेगा।
So people are coming in here with full faith that they will get the darshan, but what we are getting through these visuals establishes that how their faith are put aside, that only VIPs are getting better treatment, getting darshan of Bappa. And as we are speaking, you can just see people in huge number are continuously gathering to seek Bappa's blessing, but such pictures somewhat disappoint the faith of individuals who are reaching. And as we spoke, individuals are reaching from Madhya Pradesh and other locations as well. So you can see the faith that people carry with themselves.
Right.